Today we are going to create a vase. Let's see what are the material needed for this project. First, we need a color paper, paper cup, glitter sheets, green pipe cleaner, cardboard, sketch pens, of course, scissors, glue gum, and pencil to draw. The most importantly, curiosity to learn. We'll see how to create a vase. For that, first we need a paper cup. You can take a glitter sheet. Here I am using pink color glitter sheet. You can take whichever the color you like. So cover the paper cup using the glitter sheet. Here I am using normal glue to stick it to the paper cup. If it is not working out for you, then you can use the hot glue gum. The entire cup needs to be covered in this way. I'm also facing little trouble to close it. Okay, next thing, let's cover the bottom part of the paper cup. I'm using small cardboard. On that I'm pasting it with glitter. See, likewise you have to cover the bottom part as well. It's looking good but not perfect, right? Okay, for that we'll take the silver glitter sheets to make a small borders on the bottom and top of our vase. Cover the bottom. Yes, the similar way we have to do it on the top as well. It's so sticky. Okay, we're done. Next, we'll take a round cardboard and make a hole on the center and place it inside the cup. Before placing this one, you can add little stones or weighing some object to the vase to make it strong at the bottom. Else you can just simply cover with the cardboard. Next, we'll take some color papers or chart paper and cut it in this way. And we have to draw under some lines to make it more thinner. Here I am using red, yellow and blue. You can use what other color you like. So we are going to prepare, make a flower with this color paper. Next, you can draw some patterns in all the strip. You can draw a circle, star, triangle, square, rectangle, whatever you like, you can do it. See, some oval shape also you can draw. Some stars. Some triangles. Make sure you are using some attractive colors to the paper you are using. Once it's done, you have to paste the strip like this. All the strips you have to do like this. The next step is we are going to make a flower with the strips. Just take something, one strip and hold it in this way. You can use 3 to 4 or how many you want to do, how many you want to strip it to a flower, you can do it. Here I'm using 3. So it will be 6 petals. And I am using a stapler to fix it in the center. Next we'll take a golden or yellow color glitter sheet to cover the center of our flower. For that we have to draw a circle and cut 4 circles with this golden or yellow glitter sheets. Now paste it in the center of our flower. See, now our vase and flower are ready. For the stem, I am using green color pipe cleaner. I am using 4 pipe cleaner. I am cut the one into 2 small one, bigger one and medium sized kind of stems, and I am rolling all these things into a main branch and I stick this pipe cleaner into our flower. Make sure all the flower facing the center. Our vase with flower is ready now. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.